Hey friends, how's it going? Y'all, welcome to the live. My name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle. It's so great to see everybody. And y'all, I am so excited about the time change. What about y'all? Look, I want to show y'all something that we went to Sam's this weekend and I got me a hoodie. It was actually in the men's section, but guess what? Hey, who can tell, right? It's a pretty color. It was, I think, like $8. It's on sale. And, y'all, I'm going to put the word mama on it because I love the word mama. It makes me think about my mama. It makes me, I call myself that. And I say, who's your mama and them? And, you know, it's just, it's what I say. Hey, Sin, how's it going? Y'all, oh my gosh. Jenny sent me a picture of Locke. He was already asleep. This time change, plus he was running around here in the yard and having fun with Stella today. But, for some reason, I'm not sleepy. I know, you know, the time shifted, but I think I love it so much. I don't even care. What about you guys? Hey, Chris. Anyway, Mama is one of our new designs. In fact, we got lots of new ones. I don't know if you guys have seen them. Hey, Becca. Hey, Zella. Look, I'm seeing a lot of names I hadn't seen lately. Are y'all, you know, hey, are y'all seeing my lives now? What's going on? Hey, Madeline and Donna. I might miss some of y'all. Let's let our friends in the, oh my gosh, what's it called? The broadcast channel know. Hey, from North Georgia, Ohio. Y'all, it has been so nice today. I sat outside for a long, I got hot outside. And I told Jenny and the kids, I said, look, let's go inside. It's hot. Hey, Danette. Anyway, y'all, I've got a link for this hoodie if you have a Sam's card. And if you don't, I put a link for the is it Time and True, True and Time, whatever. The ones that I like from Walmart, I put a link for those too. Anyway, I loved the color of this one. And I got a size large. And like I said, it was in the men's department. But I think it'll be just fine. And it's got a hood. And y'all, it's kind of a lightweight. Not lightweight, but it doesn't have the fuzzy stuff inside. So I think I got plenty of more days to wear it. Plus I can wear it for next year. I was trying to see what the fabric is. Because sometimes people say, can I ink on such and such fabric? Well, I'll be honest with y'all. I'm the kind of crafter. I'll ink on anything. Let's see. It says it's rayon, nylon, spandex, and polyester. And we are about to ink on it, y'all. Anyway, look, if you don't have an ink mat, they're out right now, out of stock. You can put a piece of cardboard in here. Just anything to keep your ink from going through to the other side. Isn't this cute? And look, type the word hoodie, and I spelled it Hoodie. I think that's right. But anyway, y'all, I'm so excited. This week, we're gonna go see the baby. Jenny she's doing better every day, y'all. I think she's gonna go have a chest X-ray Thursday because her right lung was it was bad. Anyway, this says, you can put tired or hottie or mama, or you can put all of it. You could put tired hot mama if you want to. I am just going to put the word mama. You know why? Because, one, I don't think I'm hot. And two, I am tired most of the time. But I don't want to wear it around and let everybody else know. Oh, Lord. Listen, what mama's not tired, right? And y'all, I'm looking at like where the sleeves are. You know, for my alignment, I'm looking at these different Hey, Adria. Anyway, I'm looking like at all the little markings on the shirt. And then I'm going to press it down really well. And I'm going to use white. Hey, y'all. Look at there, Maxine from Tennessee. We got lots of pretty inks. I'm going to use white because I think it'll be popping. And look, I want y'all to tell me. One, I already know y'all are hot mamas. But are y'all tired mamas? I'm just making sure everything's down well. I'm going to grab my squeegee. Y'all, inking is super easy. You just don't want to get any ink anywhere you don't want it. It's thick. I think I just saw Nona was exhausted. Y'all. Well, really, I was going to say being a mama's makes you tired. But listen, everything, because I feel like we try to do it all. You know, we try to cook, we try to clean, we try to work. It's a lot. I wish Jenny sent me that picture a lot, and I knew he had been running around and sweating and on his scooter and just having a good time. And I thought to myself, I wish that was me laying on the couch asleep. But I'll be doing that in a few minutes. And listen, has anybody gotten their club yet? We have already done 3 club projects with that sweet bunny. It comes with the bunny bag. And also, if you're not a Perks member, y'all ought to check it out on the site. Because if you join this month, you're going to get your fee waived in April. So, it's a great time. All right. So, I have inked all over. And I like to pull mine up slow just in case I miss anything. And y'all, you can use these over and over. And, oh my God, y'all are not going to believe how pretty this is. And how perfect. I think it's perfect so far. Oh my goodness. And you just clean this just like you do with regular water. Oh, and what I did, like if you type the word hoodie, Hoodie, I put some other mama designs on there, or mom, if you want to check them out. Y'all, I'm scared to, y'all are not going to believe this. It's so sweet. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? All right, y'all, I've been working on a video for you. A friend of mine did some Easter ideas with egg cartons. So I'm working on a video for y'all. I got those egg cartons because after I saw hers, I was like, oh my gosh. No, we don't have a grandma. But y'all, even though I'm a grandma, I'm a mama too. Isn't this awesome? And y'all, this is like a very popular design. I'm seeing it everywhere. Stella calls her other grandma. She calls her, oh my gosh, mama something. Oh, me mama. Me mama. Hoodie's not working? Oh my, thank you for telling me. Does it work for anybody else? Thank you for telling me. Oh my goodness, what in the world? Oh, it says it should work. Mama. Let me try something. How are y'all spelling it? I know some people are just Mall, M-A. All right, I'm going to try this again. Somebody said Hoodie didn't work, and it doesn't look like it's working. Mercy, mercy me. All right, try Hoodie again. Everybody this. I put a link. If this works, and hopefully it will, I put a link for different versions. Okay. Oh, good. It's working. Thank you. It's working. Hoodie. Hoodie. But anyway, I put another link for different words. But really, what I have seen is just Mama, M-A-M-A. And even though my big kids call me Mom sometimes, they try to get all fancy. But because I call my mama, Mama, I just say Mama. And look, I don't know if y'all know this, but you know, Facebook's going to start deleting lives after 30 days. So I've got everything going over to YouTube. I've got a YouTube channel. I've mentioned that before. I think I've got it pinned up at the top. So y'all be sure you follow me over there. Thank you so much. Okay. Y'all, this dried quick. It looks so good on this fabric. Look, I'm gonna grab the info and put it in the post. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like Facebook's changing stuff all the time. Y'all let me know if you see it in the comments. I'm about to put it there. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Hey, sometimes even what do they call it? Anyway, you know, sometimes when everything should work, and it doesn't. This is going to be several links, more with other mama ideas. Oh my gosh, look, it's not letting me paste anything in my comments. Thank you so much. And y'all, I did this Friday. If you missed it Friday, be sure to go back and look for that. Let's see if it'll let me even comment. It's not? Oh well. I'll put it somewhere. Oh, Lynn, you got those red shirts? Yes. Hey, look, why don't y'all try to guess what, yeah, Facebook does that too. If you comment too fast on my page, it says it removes them, but it really doesn't. Anyway, y'all, oh my gosh, it's hard to say this. The April Club is going to have to, oh, thank you, Lynn. The April Club has something to do with something that's red. So I ordered a red shirt the other day. I posted it on here. But y'all give me some guesses of something red that you think it's going to be. I'm just going to grab. You can put anything. You can use your ironing board or whatever. I'm going to put this little towel under here just so that it doesn't, you know, it's going to steam. You don't use a steam iron. Just use the regular iron on medium heat. And one thing I did do, normally I use 305. I turned it down to 300 because of this fabric. Hey, Cindy. All right, now I'm going to press it for 30 seconds. Somebody already knows. I see a guess that's right. Oh my gosh, I'm having an awesome time this evening. Hey, somebody that's guessing strawberries, did you already know? Y'all be truthful. All right. Then, okay, so we heated this at 300 for 30 seconds. Look how pretty that is. Y'all, this is so professional. Oh, thanks, Melinda. This is a t-shirt I got at Sam's. It was just a few dollars. But I always cut the collar off and cut the sleeves off. Just to make it look cuter. Or cuter, I think. You know, you can cut a t-shirt and it doesn't ravel or anything. Look, Carla says it's for the hogs. You must be from Arkansas, girl. We used to live in Arkansas. Thank you for sprinkling. Yeah, thank you, everybody, for sprinkling. And sprinkling just means that you hit that share button. Y'all, this is so much fun. I don't want to iron any wrinkles in it. You do more inks? I know. They're so easy. All right. And then 30 more seconds after you flip it over. This is super easy. Hey, somebody's talking about the Strawberry Festival in Loxley. My niece is going to be there. She's doing her cutouts. She does banners like on the paper. I don't know what all she's going to have. But she's got really long hair. Her name is Briley. She's beautiful. And I saw where she's going to be at the Strawberry Festival in Loxley. So if you go, be sure to look for her. Tell her aunt said hello. She's just like her mama. She's pretty and she's feisty. I hope Hoodie works for y'all. It wouldn't let me post anything on my page. Facebook, I don't know what Facebook's doing. This has a hoodie. But look, I've got links for the ones from Walmart that I like. Y'all, look how professional that looks. It looks like you could just walk in the store and got this, doesn't it? It's so awesome. Look, I can't. That hoodie's kind of heavy. You did, Cindy? That's awesome. Anyway, I'll try to wear it on my next live. And look, like I said, y'all be looking for a video. I've got a couple of videos I'm working on for y'all for some more ideas. One's from my friend Brenda. She did some designs on egg cartons. I got 3 of them that I got to finish the video. They are so stinking cute. You're going to love them. And then I've got another video coming up. It's Dollar Tree with a little rabbit on it. It's so cute. Awesome, Linda. Thank you. All right, guys. Have a great night. Get some rest because the time change. And it's wonderful to have a little, more time in the afternoon. But y'all be sure to, when you type the word hoodie, you check your message. If there's like a long message, you got to scroll up to see it all. All right, guys. See y'all later. Bye now.